Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make glide chords. Glide chords are a fantastic way to add a smooth, sweeping effect to your music, creating a sense of movement and emotion. We'll explore the fundamental principles behind this technique, focusing on how to transition seamlessly between different pitches. Whether you're using a synthesizer, guitar, or vocal effects, understanding these core concepts will help you master this expressive musical element. To create glide chords, you'll typically use tools like a synthesizer's portamento or glide function. On a guitar, you can achieve this through string bending or using a slide. In digital audio workstations, pitch bend automation is your go-to. For instance, a typical portamento setting might range from 50 to 200 milliseconds, allowing for a noticeable but not overly long transition. Exploring these options will open up many creative possibilities. Let's walk through the implementation. First, choose the notes you want to glide between, forming your desired chord. Next, activate the glide or portamento feature on your instrument or software. Then, carefully adjust the glide time. A shorter time, perhaps 20 to 50 milliseconds, creates a quick, subtle slide, while a longer time, up to 500 milliseconds, offers a more dramatic sweep. Remember to practice slowly for precision. For truly expressive glide chords, consider these tips. Don't overuse them. A well-placed glide can have more impact than constant sliding. Try combining a subtle glide with a touch of vibrato at the end of the sustained note for a richer sound. Experiment with various scales and chord progressions to discover new harmonic possibilities. Listening to professional examples, like those found in jazz or electronic music, can provide excellent inspiration for your own creative endeavors.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.